Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error 0x800f0988 in Windows 10. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to first start by opening up the Start menu. Type in Troubleshoot. Best match to come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Now that you're here, you want to go scroll down underneath Get Up and Running and select Windows Update, resolve problems preventing you from updating Windows. Select Run the Troubleshooter. So now that you've done that, I'd suggest selecting Close, restart your computer, and hopefully that's been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.